Misconceptions on interior design. Number 1. Interior designers are just decorators. More than decorators, we are spatial visionaries. We help clients envision what their space can be. We are also spatial advisors. We address functionality, safety, health, materials, furniture, fittings, fixtures, and finishes. We are also site liaisons. We monitor and ensure site works are executed as planned. And finally, we are perceived value enhancers. We give properties an image lift for better resale value. Number 2. I can save money and do it myself. Well, that's true, but with a designer, process is simpler and quicker. We eliminate the need for trial-error methods and help you plan the execution process. No time wasted. Besides that, our network and resources are wider. We have the right contacts and resources to get things done properly, efficiently, within reasonable time and cost. Our network with suppliers, craftsmen, retailers will ensure you get the best deals and options. Also, with a designer comes forth new ideas and perspectives. We help you see new possibilities of what your space can be. Designers have an eye for scale, proportion, color, furniture placement, just to name a few. Number 3. Designers will impose what they want, not what I want. Well, a good and true designer will listen and understand your needs and help you discover your own preferred style. Your needs will be translated into design, bringing your style to life and improving the way you, your family, and everyone else use the new space in the best way possible. Number 4. I can hire them later, once construction or renovation is completed. Well, having the designer on board early saves time, resources, and makes it a better experience. For example, designers help you establish the numbers and location of plug points, light fittings, sanitary fittings, which needs to be established early in the construction process. Afterthoughts will require hacking and will be a costly affair. This also allows enough time for sourcing, placing orders, and manufacturing of selected items such as cabinetry works and tiles so that the project gets completed on time. Number 5. I have to get rid of all the old and replace with the new. Your precious items are our inspiration. Good designers will ensure your sentimental or favorite items, such as antique pieces and valuable paintings, are integrated into the design. It's not about removing what's old, but giving what's old a new life in the new space.